Video Tutorial 2, General Portal Video Reflections, Week 2nd. My tasks for today. Log in to Moodle site as the admin. Go to the Site Administration General. Record your screen as you scroll through the General Portal sections including notification, registrations, feedback settings, advanced features, site admin presets, AI settings, providers and placement, competencies and frameworks, badges, H5P, licensing, location, language, messaging, mobile settings, and MoodleNet. As you explain each section, ask one or two reflection questions such as which of these features do you think is most critical for managing a large course site? How might badges or competencies be used to enhance students' engagement or accountability? Conclude your video with a short reflection. Which part of General Portal do you think you will use most often and why? Finally, upload your video to YouTube or Google Drive. Make it public and paste the link in the forum titled General Portal Video Reflection. I'm an admin of yatowym.moodle.pl and I would like to explain some features of the environment. Notifications. In notifications, the administrator manages system, alerts and messages. These notifications inform users and administrators about important events, updates, or actions that require attention. Registration. Registration settings define how new users can create accounts. Here we can allow or restrict self-registration, email-based registration, or external authentication services. Feedback settings. Feedback settings control how surveys and feedback tools work across the platform. They allow the institution to collect options and evaluations from users. Advanced features. Advanced features allow the administrator to enable or disable key Moodle functionalities such as activity completion, conditional access, plagiarism detection, and learning plans. Site admin presets. Site admin presets make it possible to save and reuse predefined configuration settings. This is useful for maintaining consistency or quickly restoring preferred site configurations. AI settings, providers and placements. In AI settings, the administrator manages connections to artificial intelligence services. Here we define which AI providers are allowed and where AI tools can be used within Moodle. Competencies and frameworks. Competencies and frameworks support skills-based learning. They allow educators to define competencies and link them to courses and activities. Badges. Badges recognize achievements and milestones. They are a powerful engagement tool, especially in large courses, because they motivate learners and make progress visible. H5P. H5P enables interactive content such as quizzes and videos. Interactive activities are essential for maintaining engagement when direct teacher-student interaction is limited. Licensing. Licensing controls how content can be shared and reused. This is particularly important in large or open courses that rely on open educational resources. Location. Location settings define regional information such as time zone and country. They help ensure accurate scheduling and communication in geographically diverse courses. Language. Language settings support multilingual users. For large and inclusive platforms, language accessibility is a key factor in learner participation. Messaging. Messaging manages internal communication and notification. Effective messaging is critical in large courses to maintain clarity and reduce email overload. Payments. This section allows the administrator to manage payment accounts and configure paid access to courses or services. It supports integration with payment gateways and enables monetization of selected Moodle content. Security. The security area is used to protect the Moodle safe and user data. It includes IP blocking, restricting access from specific IP addresses, site secure settings, global security configuration for the platform, HTTP security, settings related to secure connections and protocols, notifications, alerts related to security events and risks. Front page. This section controls the configuration of the Moodle homepage. The administrator can define what users see when they first enter the site, including layout, displayed content, and default blocks. Mobile app. These settings manage Moodle's integration with official Moodle mobile application. They include mobile services enabling web services for mobile access, mobile app subscription managing app-related subscriptions, mobile authentication, login and access methods for mobile users, mobile appearance, visual presentation in mobile app, mobile features enabling or disabling specific mobile functionalities. MoodleNet. This area manages incoming traffic and content sharing via MoodleNet, allowing educators to discover, share, and use and reuse open educational resources across Moodle platforms. At the bottom of the page, the administrator and users can access site documentation, Moodle services and support, technical support, contact options, privacy policy, and data retention. Summary. A link to download the Moodle mobile application. Which of these features do you think is most critical for managing a large course site? From a Moodle administrator's perspective, the most critical features for managing a large course site are advanced features together with messaging and notification. Advanced features such as activity completion, conditional access, and learning plans allow for automation and structured progress tracking at scale. This significantly reduces manual administration while ensuring consistency across courses. Messaging and notification are equally important as they enable clear, centralized communication with a large number of users and help prevent confusion or support overload. How might badges or competencies be used to enhance students' engagement or accountability? Badges and competencies can strongly enhance both engagement and accountability by making learning progress visible and measurable. Badges provide immediate recognition for achievements, which can motivate learners to complete activities and stay active in the course. Competencies, on the other hand, define expected skills and learning outcomes, allowing students to understand what is required of them and track their own progress. Together, these tools support goal-oriented learning and help learners take greater responsibility for their development. Which part of the general portal do you think you will use most often and why? I expect to use advanced features, messaging, and user-related settings such as registration and language most often. These areas directly affect how users access the platform, how they progress through courses, and how communication is managed. In large or diverse learning environments, these settings require regular monitoring, and adjustment to ensure smooth operation, accessibility, and a positive user experience.